I see art as a therapy.
To escape from reality of New York and the reality of just the world the way that it is at the moment.
When I'm feeling really stressed from school and all that.
Or just extremely frustrated and can't get their thoughts out to articulate.
Art has influenced me therapeutically.
I can express myself fully.
To step inside your world and see what's inside your mind.
Take human elements that we don't really have a place for.
Exploro mi creatividad.
Trying to express myself without using actual words.
I can create pen on paper or pencil.
Puedo crear un mensaje para que la gente lo vea y se sienta bien cuando vea el arte.
It's like fun and a good feeling and a good time.
That's how I use art as an escape and as a therapy.
Go visit Artscape today.
Art has literally saved my life.
That has helped me soothe so much anxiety that I'm constantly building up.
A whole lot of emotions in there. I could easily relax a little bit.
Art gave me a persona, a voice.
The greatest redemption from suffering.
Also benefited my world of design as a creative.
When I have a lot of assignments to do.
Made me feel like life was worth living, and it makes me feel like the world is actually a good place.
Coping skills, a coping mechanism.
Perspective and meaningful human.
Art's everything that's around us. It's an umbrella term for a lot of things.
Follow the brushstrokes.
I was to place them somewhere and give them shape.
I like to watercolor paint.
Artwork is abstract.
Hago diferentes diseños.
The way you wear your clothes.
Cuando escucho música.
Create music that's just fun and a good feeling and a good time.
Having fun and expressing yourself.
Art doesn't suck.
That's why I just love art, because you get to see what's in other people's world.
And that's why I like the Artscape.
Visit Artscape.
Visit the Artscape.
Visit Artscape.
Visit Artscape.
Visit Artscape.
Visit Artscape today.